men different to a woman or they're the same. But one thing, if it comes to my family, I cannot take it. I can be a beast also at that time. Hello, good morning. Good morning, our YouTube family.
Good morning.
Yes, Nadia is feeling good now. काम करता है दूसरे. And today is a special breakfast. Maria, my sasuma, she is making roast. Maria, I special to get roast kutumando.
Oi.
So she is going to show us roast. You guys, you know that we are from Ponda, and Ponda, I'm getting a guy Hindu hai. So what she does, whoever know Maria, they know very well that how good she makes that roast. And it's a breakfast special sarko. If anyone says like what do you want me to cook? They say roast kondur maso. So that is one what we say.
Ask Kisha if she wants to have the rose.
Kisha, you like rose? Oi, Nana kutta rose ayo?
Nana.
Jaya rose ayo? Oi? Oi? Okay, let's go, guys. So here in the pressure cooker, she already has cooked. Kichon ke liye, no? Sohi ke liye, okay, yeah. Bird eye peas. And that shart ko to ke liye. So this roast, what she makes is really famous within the family. It's very nice. Can't express those in words how good it is. Can I this now? We miss Bhaji from Goa hotel. I can hata pe I never feel that. Best sada har ko ekdam chod boro. So take it. Can I like that? Man ditta man recipe te atta put chahiye kisko diya. आम्ही चट किती घाल देतो ना आता कांदा टोमॅटो किती ना टोमॅटो घालो ना कान
2 कांदे
होय
4 लसूण आहे
होय
1/2 इंच आले
कोथमीर सोय घाली
कोथिंबीर
देंड वडले ओके
आणि 1 वाटी सोय
सोय धाकटीशी नाईस वगैरे गरम मसाला नो
गरम मसाला
आणि बिस्से किती 5 मिनिट कोण मागी मिक्सरान घालपा न्ही न्हू ओके न्ही येवपा तेन्ना बंद केलें तुगे ओके सो these potatoes that you see, these potatoes were grown in our own garden. Mama had grown them. I'll show you all the plant one day. And they taste really nice. She had made other day something out of this potato. Really nice. And they happy dada. अपना ये बटाटो इला बटाटे चिपमुर भाजी कर So this is what she had cooked. She had added onion in that while pressure cooking this. Bataat पहिले घालता ते जावपा जाय म्हण. So guys, you know what is this? This is the very same medicine, the natural remedy that I've shown in the video. Always take every morning. 1 spoon. So we've got a special plates also we bought this I think from here only we bought it. Special plates because we know we make bhaji. Say. So now we are going to get some bread. Nice bread, hot bread we are going to get from Lidl. So that bread and this bhaji combination is really good. Kisha is coming with me today. Kisha was crying like she wants to come. She also loves going out of the house. She just waits for the opportunity. When Dada, Mama is going out, I also go out. So yes, Angel did not come. Angel is with Mama at home. So we just want. It's not far away. Just 5 minutes drive from my place. Guess what? U-turn Malappuram. Going back home. Guess for what? Yes, I forgot my wallet. Yeah, I always forget it. I keep my wallet always out of my pocket because I change my pants and all. So I left it on the table. I forgot. I got the voucher with me, but still need a wallet. So yes, let me go and get it now. So guys, pav bhaji, come and enjoy. Let's have the breakfast. Nice. Yummy.
Nani.
Kisha, get. Yummy. Oh, Kisha. Tit jaga tit. किती होता इंग्यो ओके हेलो कर
Hello.
कैसे हैं कर
Kasha.
चापिले
Table.
जेले कर
Audale.
आइसक्रीम चाहे कर
Play.
चॉकलेट
Flat.
एंजल and now your turn, okay?
Okay.
Like if you want to say anyone, how are you? What are you going to say in Konkani?
Kasha. Hello.
Hello, Raghuman. And then if you want to say, did you have your food? You have your dinner or lunch? What are you going to say?
Table.
Dinner or lunch?
To Chile.
To jaile. Tell me if you want to say, Angel. Oh, it's a remote ad. What does that mean?
Can you give me the remote?
Okay. If I want to have a glass of water, what would you say in Konkani? If you want to have a glass of water,
So hard, you never told me.
I never told you so many times.
Never.
Okay, if I tell you to get water in Konkani, what do I say? So many times I say in Konkani for you. Udo ad.
Okay, Siddharth.
Sudad nigo.
Siddharth.
Sudad.
Okay, Siddharth. Yeah.
Udo. Say udok. Udok.
Udo.
Udok nigo. Udok.
Udo.
Udok ad.
Udo.
Rumah balik kita tu. Bapa tunggu kau. Udah card kau. Ya. Mana view itu? So friends, this is a steak bread, chicken steak bread that I've done. I've made a recipe out of it. I'm like, this recipe is going to come after this vlog on the Wednesday. So the best thing is, we make the food and we only eat it. So that's the best part of making these food vlogs. And turned out really good, very nice. Pizza to it. Okay, yeah. See? Or Chani kesko gasmati? Come here, baby. Yummy? Yummy. Yeah, dada korte ke yummy to get yo. See this one. New stunt. She's learned a new stunt. Okay, we're going to play a game now, me and Angel. There's a challenge between me and Angel. Let's see who's going to laugh the first, okay? But my stomach is full and I can't laugh anymore. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3. Okay, again.
Look it up.
Okay. पीछे okay now I'll hey Kisha, why are you laughing? You go, we'll laugh all together. Okay, 1 2 3. Yeah, managing.
You laughed it out.
गेली.
I'm going to make you laugh.
Rajat start गेली.
I'm going to make you laugh.
Hey, this is not right. Let's see who laughs first. If you, 2 times you lost. Third time if you lose, no, you're out of the game. I did not lose even once, okay? 1, 2, 3.
You give me smile. You give me smile and laugh.
Yeah, many things. Birth is a parent's gift. Education is a teacher's gift. Work is a company's gift. Wife is a life's gift. But friends are God's gift. Hello friends and welcome back to our channel K2N Family. I hope you all are doing well. So friends, today's vlog was very nice. We enjoyed doing it. We did a video on the other day. Nice cutlet pav, chicken, very nice. The best thing, we do it and we only eat it. Very nice. But you are welcome to our place
And I'm
anytime.
feeling better now.
Oh, she's feeling well. Thank you so much. You all have sent so much of wishes for Nadia when she was not well.
Yes.
All your blessings. She's doing so good and better now. Many of them have written for you. They love you so much. I mean, like this love, it's so overloaded. That's why I said in the beginning, friends are the gift of God. It is truly a blessing to have friends like you who are again connected to us, and we really love this thing that is happening with us in our life.
Yeah.
Every time we just see the comments, people write to us. There's so many lovely words that come for us, and we really like that thing. Well, today's message, what we want to bring out on the table is it's a simple, nice message. You know, a lot of time there was a message that some of them comments like we always say about how wives be and what. We never spoke about anything about men. Like I was being told,
Yeah.
it's not like that. Like I don't want to speak about men. So the men's are also the same. But yes, if I want to say, what do I want to say, and what the message that we want to put out is today, it's just like, okay, are men different to a woman or they're the same? We always say man is equal to woman, or woman also respected as equal as woman. But there was a video that I watched a few days back where it was a social experiment what was happening, where a man was hitting a woman in the public, and a lot of guys came in the middle, stopped like, okay, what are you doing towards her? And then they came to it was social experiment. And the very same couple, like, and they did it again in some other place, and the girl was hitting the man. But no, people were giving a laughter, just having a watch and all.
Yeah.
So it is sometimes does happen like that, you know. Every time man is not wrong as well. There are sometimes, I'm not saying like, the women are wrong or man is, I'm not here to judge anyone. But there are sometimes things that we don't see on this. We have to see both the side of the coin to judge actually, or to make a comment on that. Because what I feel about the men is, they have so many things in life to do. Once, when you are single, I could understand. Like, when you are single, you have like mama, dada is there. They cook everything. They bring for you on the table. Mama is like, what koita? Like, but yes, koita, it is not easy. Life is not easy. There are a lot of struggles. Every person has a different struggle. For some of them, their parents have made something behind and they have just carrying forward those things because everything is there for them. It's been pre-plated. For some, they have to make life for them. They have to come with a lot of things. They have to go through a lot of struggles, build up their things. And for man, what happens is like, like for me, what I think is like, I really think about it because I need to go to work. I have to so many things that I need to do because it's a grace that Nadia, she understands me. Like, I get my pay. We have our rents to pay, our bills to pay, so many things that we need to do, and how much we are struggling in what and not. That she knows to balance those things, and we do happily with that. Because at least I'm grateful, and that what she does for me. But sometimes the community, what about the community when they think about us, about a men? This is a very wrong thinking, and I would really not like or neither we appreciate this thing. When community says, "Arey, see that man, to kite, to Mr. Bekar bahut mere. Oh, tek chela, tek kai podon galla." Oh, you say like, okay, see what's happening with him. He's doing like this or like that. They judge him. I'll tell you what. I'll tell you about myself only. Now, today, by God's grace, I'm been blessed with a very nice job. I've been there. I've worked my own struggles, and I've been on this stage. I went on a ship before. First job as like when we're working on the ship, you have to go as a cleaner. I started as a cleaner. From there, up and up. Then I was into hospitality. Yeah, service, cooking, everything. I've done a lot of jobs, different. But then time came, Angel was born, and I moved to a different industry. And I said, okay, let me try something which I've not done before. So I wanted to go into an administration job, and God was good on my side, and He gave me an opportunity to where I started in cargo operations. Like I started working for cargo. So started working for the airlines, and then it was really nice. I gained a lot of experience, worked very well, and then I went up and out. And today I've got a job where I'm very well. I work for a transport industry now. I work very nice. It's a very decent job that I have got. But the question is this: why do I say about myself? Because there are many people who have come to UK, or maybe around the world as well, who are very well more educated than me. You understand? The point is that I was blessed at the right place at the right time. But there are many people who are very well educated, who can take my position much better. People are there out over there, but they did not get that opportunity. And because they had a family, they had to feed the stomachs, they had to go out. They had to take whatever came to their hand. It was not that, okay, Arey, what is he doing? I never go with pride that what I work with.
Because any job is a job. And
Yeah.
as long as it feeds your family and keeps everyone safe and protected.
It is true, yeah, because I don't think any job is smaller. Because there was one subscriber who told me, like, he had hurdles and this and that. I felt very sorry because some of them do write me about their stories and feels very, very touchy. And if we can help in some way, we will definitely come and help it. I will go forward to help as well. But yes, this is the thing. Don't judge a man because because when fights as well happen, when fights happens, like, no, every man fighting doesn't make you a man. Holding a cigarette or holding a glass of whiskey in your hand doesn't make you a man. Respecting someone, taking care of your family, taking care of your women, of your children makes you a man. Accepting the responsibility makes you a man. Going out and showing that, okay, I'm a man, I can do this, I can fight, I can talk louder, doesn't make you a man. It just shows your attitude and your arrogance. For me, I cannot afford to fight to anyone, neither I can afford to get into any kind of trouble because I have a family behind. If somebody does come to fight with me, I might just back up or I might just listen and walk away from there. But one thing, if it comes to my family, I cannot take it. I can be a beast also at that time. But when it is up to me, I can be a rat also. I will not take offense of anything. Unless I'm not wrong, I will just say, okay, the best solution is walking away from that.
Yeah.
So every person or every man who walks away from the situation is not a coward. He knows the responsibility. He knows what it is. It's not why a wise man will overtake a wiser step. A foolish, how long it takes? That is, every person has his equal strength. Yeah. If Mike Tyson could fight in a ring, who was undefeated sometimes, he did even get a punch on his face as well by the weakest opponent. So he does not think that, okay, that we are weak, but this is the thing. So I feel like every man in the house or every man in the family is precious. They have their own responsibilities to carry on. Do not judge any man by any means, because they really love their family and they know what they're doing. If the family doesn't have a problem, we are nobody to judge that. We are meant to look only into our family, in our own circle. We are nobody to go out of our circle and to see someone else's life, what's happening.
Bother anybody's business.
A lot of people who are bothered about to see what's happening in somebody else's life. That's not our problem. Our problem is our problem. We got to solve ourselves. Yeah. There are people who can help us to do that. We can ask for advices and this, openly go. Because sometimes what happens is, like, when you go to speak out your problem, some people take advantage also. Yeah. But that's why I feel like my first problem, anything happens, I go and speak to her. I tell her. And whatever is wrong with her, she tells me. Like, we know where we have to speak. and then only we will decide, okay, whether we need to speak this out or say something or not, because it's not like, okay, we don't tell others. We don't want people to misjudge us for what we are saying or we're doing it. If this message is going out in any wrong way, then we're really sorry about that. It's nothing to say,
Nothing
but
to do with it.
it's nothing. But it's only that probably I could not put the words proper, maybe. But my message is clear. Like, every man has his own responsibility to be taken towards his family. So, friends, this is all I want to say. Yeah. And if I say you friends, I really mean you. You're my friends. I really love you. As K2, we all love you so much. Thank you for
We
being
are
part.
family now.
We are really a family now. And as we said, friends are the blessing. And whatever we have received you all through this channel of our YouTube, it is a blessing. God has connected us to you. Thank you for that.
So, friends, it's now time to give the shout out. And the first shout out goes to Priyanka Ribello.
Priyanka Ribello, yeah, she did send you lot of best wishes when you were not well. And she loves watching our vlog. Priyanka Ribello, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, on behalf of K2 family, we love you. God bless you all and your family.
The second shout out goes to Gracia D'Souza.
Gracia D'Souza, she is a new subscriber, or I don't know whether she's subscribing before, but Gracia, thank you so much. You have seen a lot of my videos, recipes. You have written on every single thing. Thank you so much. I can't be expressing how much really I am overwhelming to say thank you, because in every recipe she writes, every vlog she writes for us, even the previous old recipes what are there,
Yes.
she has watched it. But thank you so much, and God bless your family.
The third shout out goes to Brunetta Fernandez from Kuwait.
Brunetta Fernandez, yes, she sends a lot of blessings and love for us. Brunetta Fernandez, yes, thank you so much for your blessings and love that you send. Love to you, your family, and all Kuwait people. God bless you.
The fourth shout out goes to Janet Antau.
Janet Antau, and she says she loves watching our vlogs and sends best wishes and love for us, for K2 family. Thank you so much, Janet, for all your love and blessings that you send. Thanks for watching our vlogs and our recipes.
And the fifth shout out goes to Chelsea Dias.
Chelsea Dias, thank you so much. She writes to us that she loves watching our vlogs, especially to the messages that we give at the end of the vlog. I hope you like today's message as well, Chelsea. Thank you for liking and supporting us in this way. God bless you and your family. Thank you. And there was one special message that's come for me. It's from Irene Mary Lovo. I'd given a shout out before for her, but today especially I wanted to, because she has written a very nice thing. And the nice thing is about her grandchildren. She has written, when she watches Keisha and Angel playing, she remembers her grandchildren. And their grandchildren names are Leanne and Nora. Yeah, Leanne and Nora. They live in Canada. Leanne and Nora, if you're watching, your grandma loves you a lot. She has sent a lot. Probably you guys are talking every day. She sends you love a lot. But through this YouTube channel of K2 family, we are sending you love to you and all in Canada from K2 family. Thank you so much, and God bless you all. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed watching our vlog, and we could deliver something which is really nice to you all. And please keep on supporting us the way you have supported. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. So before we end our word, our final slogan: take care, God bless you all, and our final word to say, adios.